Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. This is a special painting today. I'm going to be doing a Kathleen Miller inspired, her Radial bloom as they call it. I'm still trying to perfect that one, so I'm going to give it a whirl. Now, lots of you that are my regulars have asked how my mom is doing. Unfortunately, my mom passed away on Thursday, so this painting is going to be in loving memory of my mom, and hopefully it turns out beautiful and it's a masterpiece I can hang in my home and think about her. So she was sick for a long time, and it's definitely something that is sad, but she is definitely resting in peace now. So love you, Mom. This one's for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that's my regular that keeps coming back, thank you so much, you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. All of your wonderful comments. Keep them coming, okay? I am going to be doing a couple of different little piggy colors. I've got the sockeye, taffy, funk, lily pad, and a couple of the pearl arteza colors, which I love. They come in a box of 8. Well, you can probably get them separate, but I like to get the kit, so I have a couple of different kits. These are all Arteza's pearls colors, so let me just put that back there. Okay, let's do this. I'll try and get Greg to put a description of some of the colors, or maybe even a picture popping up of some of the colors I'm using. All right, let's do this. I'm going to first start with taffy funk in the center. I love this purple. And you know what? I'm not going to talk. Hun, hit some music. And let's just get this painting happening.